Rescue Equipment for Pinnipeds by Sabrina Bocek at Unity College. Here is an example of a loadout list for packing the truck for rescuing a pinniped. Thick leather gloves, life jackets, heavy-duty welder's mitts, bed linens, bath towels, herding boards, heavy-duty hoop nets, open-ended net, a large nylon cargo net, canvas tarp, large plastic dog crate, customized aluminum transport carrier, carts with large wheels, pull syringe, dart gun, appropriate sedative for immobilization, biodegradable spray paint marker, loop pull, and safety knives. Personal safety equipment for handling the animals or removing entanglement debris would include thick leather gloves. These are very helpful when having to restrain or capture a seal or sea lion, and also is helpful when entanglement is wrapped around their necks and you want to get your hand between the rope and their flesh. Life jackets are always important if you're on the water during a rescue in case you fall in. Heavy-duty welder mitts also help to protect from getting bitten. Bed linens and bath towels can help to add water to keep the pinnipeds cool during transportation. They can also be used for smaller sized animals using what is called as the burrito wrap to transport them. Herding boards are important for rescues on the beach or on the sand, and they help to camouflage the rescuers from the animal, and so they can sneak up on them without scaring them away, but also protects them from the rescuer from getting bit and helps to navigate and guide the animal into a carrier. Here is some examples of how a team of boarders with a netter can work together, being sure to protect from getting bit and safely navigating the pinniped into the carrier. Heavy-duty hoop nets are a great tool for when you're sneaking up and wanting to capture them fast and having control at a distance with the pole. Open-ended nets and large nylon cargo nets can also help to safely capture and restrain and confine during a rescue mission. Large plastic dog crates and aluminum transport carriers are necessary when transporting, and depends on the size of the animal. Pull syringes and dart guns are used for immobilizing if the rescue can be done on location when removing entanglement gear. And lastly, temporary satellite tags can be glued to their fur to monitor their survival. Thank you. Here's my references.